Hi guys, broke my drive belt on my riding lawnmower. See here the other day, snapper mower, 6.5 horse. So I'm going to be replacing this today. First thing I'm going to do is to remove the cover here, drive belt cover. It's got 4 bolts. Be taking those off, and when I get the cover off, then I'm going to lift the snapper on its rear and start putting the new belt on. Took the old broken belt and stretched it out, measured it 71 inches. Went to the best hardware store in my town. That happens to be an Ace Hardware store. Not just because it's an Ace Hardware store, but the people there will actually get up out of the chairs and be willing to walk to the back of the store to help you match up the belt that you need. So I really appreciate that from those guys, or anybody that's willing to do that. They gave me a 71-inch belt here after the measurement that I gave them. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the mower today. Okay, so here's a look at the lawnmower on its rear. And I have to take the belt and I have to put it around the engine pulley here. Put it around here, and I've got to get it on. So to get it on, can't do it from the top up here because it's just not enough room. There's not enough room down here at the bottom to really do it. So what I usually do is to just take a screwdriver. Well, first of all, it's in neutral right now, so I'm gonna put it in 5th gear. It's gonna shift transmission there over to the side, so I'll show you that using the clutch brake pedal to do this. Trying to do it with my knees here, guys. So let's put it in a 5th gear. There we go. Okay, so we should have good room here. The only thing is real tight around the disc drive here to the pulley. It's still too tight to put the belt on. It's the same here. You know, it's still too tight to put it on there. So what I'm going to do is take a screwdriver. Really need a longer screwdriver, but I'll be able to manage with this. And just pull this brake bar, clutch bar down. You see the disc moving back with the bar, and you can see how much additional room I have there to slide the belt on. Since I'm doing this by myself, I may be able to do it with my foot here. I'm going to take the belt and just from above here, go ahead and got to bring it through here. So do that from the top. Now the critical part, getting it on the pulley and then through the disc drive. Ooh, it just popped on. Sorry if you didn't see that. Back up here. Yeah, so it's on. Slide it through here. Slide it through here. Good to go at the bottom there. So now I'm going to release clutch bar, and we're good to go there. Okay, so here's a look at when the lawnmower's still on its rear. And I need to put the pulley, or I need to put the belt around the pulley that operates the blade and the idler pulley here. Alright, so I'll put the mower down now, and I need to get the belt over this pulley here and through the idler pulley through here. No way to do that without taking this pulley off. So to get my wrenches, I'm going to take this pulley off. In the meantime, over on the other side, I can pull this with my thumb. I don't know if I can do it with the camera. There we go. So on this side we're good. So I'm going to go ahead and take that idler pulley off now. The idler pulley right here. I'm going to take that off. Using 2 wrenches to take off the idler pulley here, holding the bottom nut with 14mm closed in wrench, and just using this adjustable wrench to loosen it up. Alright, so I've got the nut off, and I have to take the pulley completely off to get the belt in place. All I need to do is just shift it over here now. Here's a look at the bar. Slips in that little area, a little hole there. And just line up 2 holes here. Go ahead, put the belt on now. It's going to be pretty snug. Probably going to have to use 2 hands for this, so I'm going to put the camera down for a second. I'm going to go ahead and put the nut on, and then we're going to try out the lever here. Idler pulley is tightened down now. Belt is on. I'm going to lift the mower one more time and take a look at the engine pulley there and make sure that it's on good there. Okay, just a final look. Everything looks good here. I want to check this before I engage the blade and start cutting grass. Okay, let's engage the blade. I'm going to let it off. Yeah, looks like we're good to go. Got the plastic cover on now, so that's all there is to it. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you have a great day. Until next time, take care.